You'll never fix us, ha ha ha!
Oh yeah? Who's laughing now? Who's laughing now? Howdy folks, here we are again in the workshop, the mighty workshop, Weemaway. But anyway, Apocalypse PC project, I have managed to go through the junk pile, and like I said, I may be picking up another free computer later this week, but I think it's going to be more one of those, I'm going to tear it apart, and in the end, I'm going to have two computers, less than $100 total budget. Each one has to be built of at least half free parts. Yeah, those are the rules I'm setting for myself, and I want to be able to run modern games at a competent level, like on the level of what you would buy like $500 pre-builds, at least in the store brand new right now. Now also, I tested every single part in that huge pile I showed yesterday, and at least half the cables. So yeah, it was a lot of sorting and testing yesterday, and I was just too wiped to do this video then. I found a lot of cool stuff in that box, honestly, and yeah, that's going to be really exciting. But just real quick, because my heater is about to turn on really loud, in that box, in addition to all the other cool stuff, this Nettop PC totally works, and it has an NVIDIA Ion onboard graphics card and an Atom processor. So I mean, what a cool old low-powered device to see what we can do with. I'm really excited to find that in there and have it work once I found the right tip on my universal laptop charger to get it to start up. So that's going to be cool. In addition to those two systems, I'm probably actually going to build working systems out of all the other stuff. They're just going to be so bad that I'm going to end up taking them to the e-recycler like they were originally intended. So yeah, Project Apocalypse PC is ongoing. Now also the fun part, I'm also going to spray paint these up in cool colors with a bunch of the random paint I have around. If I do manage to score a really good deal on that E3 Xeon I want, they're more expensive than I thought, you know, maybe people are anticipating a shortage or something. But I'm hoping to get one of the higher end ones for like maybe 30 if I can get a good auction. But if not, I'm just gonna get one of the cheaper ones and do what I can with it. And then I'm gonna have a little budget left for some cheap spray paint so I can get more colors. And I'm gonna totally, like, have you ever seen the movie The Running Man? Where it's like the first movie that was like the Hunger Games, but they've made like 50 before the Hunger Games. Anyway, a different rant about how the Hunger Games is a shameless ripoff of everything sci-fi dystopian ever. But anyway, yeah, in The Running Man, all of the like killer criminal contestant guys all have cool costumes and names and stuff like that. So I'm gonna paint these things up, and we've got a vinyl cutter, so we're gonna make decals for each of them and give them a cool name. So yeah, they're gonna be like, or like in Beyond Thunderdome, they're gonna be like the contestants in the ring. Yeah, anyway, yeah, they're gonna be like pro wrestler combatant apocalypse heroes, and they're gonna have each, like, you know, their own custom decal and color scheme and their name on there somewhere. It's gonna be rad.